Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. If you are a good graphic designer who want to generate passive income by selling your digital designs, then this video is for you. I'm sure you are familiar with the GraphicRiver website. If not, it's a website where you can buy and sell graphic design templates. Now if I search here spray paint bottle mockup, then it's gonna show some results. Scroll down. This is the design that I created. If I go into my folder, you can see all of its project files here. Let's take a look at it. You can see that it has already got 2 sales. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a GraphicRiver account and quickly walk you through the whole process so you can start selling your digital designs and generate a passive income. First of all, you need to open the GraphicRiver website and click on Start Selling. Click on Become an Envato Market author. Click on Create Envato account. Here you can choose any option to create your account, but I'll go with my email address. Put your name here, put your email address, and your desired password. Click on Create Account. Checkmark this option and click Continue. Here you can choose any option, click on Next. You've got 2 options here. If you choose to sell exclusively on Envato Market, which means you won't be able to sell your digital products anywhere else, but you'll get a higher commission. And if you choose the second option, that means you can upload your digital products to other websites as well. Click on Next. Choose what type of products you would be selling. I'll be selling graphic design templates. Click on Next. Keep in mind that you need to create very high quality products to get approved. Let's go to the dashboard. You can see my current earnings here. Before getting started, you need to submit some information. Open these 3 links. On first link, you need to submit tax information if you are a US person or not. If you work as an individual or a corporation. After filling all the information, submit it. You also need to fill in your personal information and then set up the payout method. Click here and put your desired payout method. On the third link, you need to select one of these options. Read it carefully and choose the option that better describes your role and confirm status. Now to see your profile public view, go to Portfolio, Graphics, and Manage GraphicRiver. I'll open it in the new tab. Here you can see my profile. Click on Portfolio and here you can see your published products. Now to upload your own product, click on Upload, go to Graphics and upload GraphicRiver. If you are not signed in yet, then click on the Sign In option. Put your username, password and sign in. Click on your profile and select Upload. First of all, you need to make an original design. It can be some template, illustration, t-shirt design or anything else from the following list. Click on Next. Now this is very important. When you upload your product for the first time, you will see this section with some instructions. You need to upload your files in the proper size and format, otherwise your files will get rejected. You can see the standards and minimum requirements by clicking here. You also need to complete an author ID check that you can simply do by clicking here. You just need to verify this one time. Scroll down. Here you need to put the name of your product. You need to put the description. Keep in mind that it does support HTML, so you can benefit from it if you know a little bit of HTML. I'll go into my folder where I have my description ready. You can see the HTML tags here, which will give it a better format. Copy it and paste it here. Next, you need to upload all your files by clicking this button. I like to keep all my upload files in one folder. Help file, README file, and the Photoshop file are already included in the zip folder. So I'll select the zip folder, this thumbnail, and the preview image. Click on Open. Files are getting uploaded. Next, you need to choose an image preview from the uploaded files. I'll select this one. I'll select the thumbnail. Next, you need to select the main zip file. Let it upload. Then select the zip folder as the main file. I'll set the preview image. Next, you need to select the correct information about your files. Select the appropriate category. Either the uploaded files are in high resolution or not. Is the main project file properly layered or not? What files from the list are included in your project? I've got a PSD file. Next, you need to select the minimum Adobe version on which the file will work. My file will work on CS 2015 and above. Next, you need to put the proper dimensions of your file. If it is a print template, then put its size here as well. You can put some tags for better SEO. And lastly, you can put your desired price for regular and extended license. You can also put a message for whoever will be reviewing your files, but it's totally optional. After that, click on Upload and you'll receive an email within 3 days if your file gets approved or rejected. Let me show you how the emails look like. If your files gets approved, you'll receive an email like this. And if your files gets rejected, then you'll receive such email. So that's it guys, this is the whole process of getting started with GraphicRiver to uploading your first design. I hope the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll show you how to properly prepare files for the upload. I'll see you there.